Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on live streaming on a Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. All you have to do to set up a live stream is to enter a voice channel. Now you want to click the Go Live button beside the Disconnect Voice button. You can now select which program or screen you want to broadcast and then click Go Live. You will now start broadcasting live into that channel, and other users will be made aware that you are live. You can also get an invite URL for your stream to share with friends. Click this button to stop streaming. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.